So hello there guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a question game. Let's just view it before I explain the code. It says first let's start the quiz, shall we? Now it is asking us the capital of New York. There are only 3 questions. You can add even more because this is very simple. As you can see, this is not talking about New York City. This is talking about New York the state. Of course, I don't live in America, but still it counts. So as the capital of New York State is Albany, Albany. So it is saying a good job. How much is the population of Earth? You have to, it is 7.7 billion, so we cannot just write 7 billion over here or 7b. Let's maybe get this wrong by typing 7.2 billion. That was about many years ago. It says Buster wrong. It is actually 7.7 billion today. You will drop back to 7.6. You're saying wow. Looks like you're intelligent. Which part of our body helps our ear to listen? Of course, this is not actually true, but our brain, actually, what you're listening now, is actually your brain is listening, your ears is listening to it, but all your eardrums send the signals to the brain. So you can hear that. So you have to type in brain. It's a dance party. You made it. And bye. So so this is the code. It first when we for the first question it says, so yeah, let's maybe you can this is actually same except for this code. You can, most of these are, 2 of these are when I receive, and then a broadcast method. So let's do question 4 for your example. Instead of dance party, you made it. Let's maybe replace it to good job, Buster. Good job, Buster. As you can see, let's broadcast. Let's do others. The script and new message and make this sec last question. Also, instead of this, let's maybe say wrong. How many times I have said you it is let's do the instead of this brain, let's go. This looks like Brian. So let's make when I receive last question. We just need to grab a forever loop, and if blank, then the if else block, and then we are in this triangular thing, we have to put blank is equal to 50. Instead of 50, you have to type what answer should we give. I think let's maybe say this is going to be the easiest one. Is egg healthy or not? As you can see, egg is healthy. So let's type in healthy. Wrong. Okay. Paste. Whoops, sorry. Let's type in healthy, and over here we can write, we have to put say dance, 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 dance. Then we need the cat to go next. Costume, but he's going to run like for fun, for dance. So over here we have to say switch costume 1, and then he's going to dance, and otherwise let's say, come on man, come on Buster, this is the easiest question. Okay, this is how you do it. But if you, for the last question, it says this text, and then it says broadcast text last question, which is this one, and then it stop the script. So let's get it to the end. Albany, 7.7 billion. Okay. Brain. And then healthy. So as you can see, then we have to this is not working. So let's maybe broadcast dance. Dank. It's okay. It's almost dance. So need to go forever, and let's over here stop the script, and this may be start, and this may be ended. Albany, 7.7 billion. Brain healthy dance, dance, dance. As you can see, he's going like crazy. Let's maybe add a second block. By the way, in the next video you're going to be learning about animation. So hope you guys liked this video. Hope you did. Smash the like button, and see you guys next time. Goodbye.